All right, boys, welcome back. Welcome to another trade recap. Let's go over the trade that we took today. We hit all take profits on this. So let's talk about how we did it, what we did, whole thought process, what we could potentially do better. And so, yeah, let's get into it. So pre-market, I saw, boom, 15-minute liquidity sweep. Also, keep in mind, okay, 4 hour, we're bearish, right? We've been breaking structure to the downside. There's this big imbalance that we need to fill. There's this 4 hour order block within here, right? We talked about these. In our boot camp. If you haven't watched the boot camp, please go watch it. Very beneficial because a lot of the shit that we've been talking about over the past couple days, I literally used all of it today. Okay, everything that you guys know from the boot camp, we used all of it today. Okay, so boom, we see downtrend, cool, downtrend on the 4 hour, downtrend on the 1 hour. What are we? Bearish. Awesome. We hop over to the 15-minute. We see, okay, 15-minute rally, liquidity sweep, break of structure. What is that form? Order cock. Boom, we have a cock block right here. Okay, what does pre-market do? Push into the order cock, break structure. Awesome. Then what does that form? Another cock. Okay, another 15-minute, boom, order block right here, right? This is the move up prior to the break of structure to the downside. All right, then we can scale down into the 5-minute. Okay, we see price rally on up there, and if you know something about me, I trade the S&P 500 on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so boom, we're on the 1 minute. We see liquidity get swept down here. That causes the rally up until that 15-minute order block. Then what are we looking for? We're in the 15-minute order block. I'm just waiting for a break of structure to go short. Everything's telling me short. Everything is lining up perfectly. I'm ready for it. Okay, we end up breaking structure on this candle right here. Do I enter off that? No, because it would have offered me a worse risk to reward. And we have these retracement tools that can help us. What are our retracement tools? Fair value gap and order block. So what was I waiting for? I was waiting for either this fair value gap, boom, within here to get filled and then give me a reaction off of it. Or I was literally just waiting for this order block to get hit, and then right when it got hit, I'm entering. Okay, and that's what we got to. Okay, we filled this fair value gap a little bit. We had this doji candle that wasn't enough of a rejection for me. Okay, then what happens? We get this one wick up. Right when it hit this box, I press sell. Okay, press sell. Why? Because this is all the confirmation I need, right? We have over here, bearish, order block, bearish, right? Like hour, bearish, 4 hour, bearish. Everything's telling me bears right now. And then we get a break of structure, and then we get into this area. Why wouldn't you take a sell on this? Okay, so I sold right here. Okay, we're in drawdown for like 2 minutes. And then price dumps, hits take profit 1. I took 50% off there. Hits take profit 2. Took another 50% off of the open position there. And then hit take profit 3. Closed everything there. Solid day. Let me go ahead and show you guys the P&L. So I made almost 23K, $22,929. Okay, so 22K, $22,929 today. Great fucking trade. Was able to close out of all of our positions. What could I have done better? If I'm being honest, I'm glad that I think today was a perfectly executed, honestly, like this was a perfectly executed trade. Our 4 hour bias was in line with our 1 hour bias, which was in line with our 15-minute bias. And then everything after that was just our steps to enter. You know, you don't really get days like this too often when everything is perfectly aligned. Like I've seen all the other traders on Instagram and on TikTok, they all won on this trade as well. And I think if you trade smart money concepts, it was probably impossible for you to lose on this trade unless you took the buy on this break of structure. But you'd be clueless to do that. So everything's saying bearish. Okay, so that was the trade that we took. Awesome risk reward, 1 to 4.2, small stop, literally a 4-point stop for a 4-point stop for a 16-point gain. I'll take that all day, baby, all freaking day. So solid trade today. Took it live with the Discord. The Discord opens back up in 1 week. Okay, so I guess a week from, dude, I don't even want to open it again. What day is it? It's the 19th, or it's the 20th. I guess I'll open it next week. Okay, so I guess on Monday of next, or on Sunday of next week, I'll go ahead and open it, and then I'll close, and then it'll be closing that next week on Sunday. So it'll be open on Sunday, a week of it, it'll be open for a full week, and then it'll close again on Sunday. So if you want to take these trades with me live every single day on Zoom, feel free and join. I think the biggest gain, the biggest value that you gain from taking these trades live with me isn't even making the money, isn't even taking the trades with me. It's getting to see my thought process on why I'm entering, and it's literally my little comments on, oh, this happened, and that's all market experience. I talked about this on Lambo Raul's podcast because both me and him have a live trading room, and we were both discussing about how that is far superior than people just typing out buy this, stop loss, take profit here with no reasoning behind it. Because in here, right, I'm actually sitting here live, seeing price develop, making comments saying, oh, we broke structure here. I don't want to enter here. I want to wait because it's a bad risk reward. I want to wait for it to hit the order block. Oh, maybe if it fills the fair value gap and gives me a rejection. All of that is market experience that you guys haven't experienced yet. And by seeing that live, you're able to, kind of kickstart your shit. And it helps you skip over a lot of mistakes that you would be making as a beginner in these markets. If you don't have access to that. So that's really the value that you get from the Discord. It's not necessarily making money with me. Obviously, that's a benefit in itself, but that's pretty much it. So if you want to join the Discord, it'll be open next Sunday. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the boot camp video. I'll probably get that posted a little bit later. I'll post it. I'll post it right after this video because I have some time. I got to do another podcast today. I'm still in Miami. I leave Miami tomorrow morning, and then I get back to Puerto Rico. So yeah, with that being said, we're good. We're cool. I'll catch you boys later today for a boot camp vid. Peace out, boys.